Hello and welcome. Our topic for the day is identifying reflexive, symmetric, and transitive properties. To understand this, let's understand the concept of the three properties first. Looking at the first one, reflexive property. The reflexive property states that for every real number x, x equals to x. That means for any real number, whenever we are given, say, for example, 2x minus 3 equals to 2x minus 3. This is called as a reflexive property, or y equals to y. This is a reflexive property. So as per the reflexive property states that for every real number x, x equals to x. Let's look at the symmetric property now. The symmetric property states that for all real numbers x and y, if x equals to y, then y equals to x also. Say for example, if I have 2x equals to some number, say a, then a is equal to 2x represents the symmetric property. So the symmetric property states that for all real numbers x and y, if x equals to y, then y equals to x. Let's look at the transitive property. The transitive property states that for all real numbers x, y, and z, if x equals to y and y equals to z, then x equals to z. This is very important to understand. If 2x minus 4 equals to y and y equals to, say, 4x minus 8, then we can say 2x minus 4 equals to 4x minus 8. The common element, that is y in this case, gets eliminated and we are left with these two numbers itself. So let's look at some questions to understand these properties, which will be now simple to understand. Name the property, example associative property multiplication, and we're given x minus 3 equals to x minus 3. Now here we see that it is given that the expression on the left hand side of the equality sign is similar to the on the right hand side. So that means this is the reflexive property of equality. Let's look at the next question. Name the property, and it's given negative 5x plus 4 equals 4. Let's write down negative 5x plus 4 equals to 4, and 4 equals to 3x plus 3. Then negative 5x plus 4 equals to 3x plus 3. Now this is similar to x equals to y equals to z, that is x equals to z. So this is a property which is known as a transitive property, which is option D. Let's look at another example. Name the property, and we're given negative 5x minus 1 equals to negative 5x minus 1. So here again we see that whatever is on the left hand side of the equality sign is similar to that on the right hand side. So that means this forms a reflexive property. I hope identification of reflexive, symmetric, and transitive properties is simple. Thank you for watching and have a nice day.